Hi, the next topic is time-weighted interest rate. So time-weighted interest rate is the market return, so it does not depend on how much you invested. So what's the definition of time-weighted interest rate I? That is defined by 1 plus I is equal to A of 1 divided by A of 0. So here, A of t is amount function. So A of 1 means the amount at time 1, and A of 0 is the amount at time 0. So now, the one example. So this is the same example as the last time. So we have 4 time points, and we have the balance before and after deposit or withdrawal. Since time-weighted interest rate only accounts for market return, we only focus on the fact that 100 becomes 120, and 200 becomes 300, and 90 becomes 70. So withdrawal or deposit doesn't really matter for I. So 1 plus I is A of 1 divided by A of 0, which is calculated by A of 1 over 6 over A of 0 times A of 4 over 6 over A of 1 over 6 times A of 1 divided by A of 4 over 6, which is 120 over 100, that is this number over this number, times 300 over 200 times 70 over 90. When we simplify this, this is equal to 1.4. So I is equal to 0.4. That is 40%. So this is the final answer. So how about the time-weighted interest rate for multiple years? While not clarified in the book, 1 plus I can be defined as A of n over A of 0 to the power 1 over n, if the investment return is available for t is equal to 0 to n. And another remark is that the time-weighted interest rate cannot be calculated if only cash flow is given. So think about time diagram with 3 time points. T is equal to 0, 1/3, and 1. And suppose we deposited $50 at time 0, $40 at time 1/3, and you receive $100 at time 1. And the internal rate of return exists, but the time-weighted interest rate cannot be calculated for this case. Okay, so now you can do quiz the 3-24-2. So note that these basic quizzes are graded and it replaces the attendance scores.